What's happening, people? This is my first vlog, mine and Ella's first vlog. Ella's just currently sleeping at the minute. She's a lazy peanut, but she'll be on here in a minute. But we're currently in beautiful Hoi An, Vietnam. And we're quite an exciting day for us. We're going on the coconut boats. We're gonna try and find something else to do, find another little trip to do. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna get Ella up, get ready, get a shower. I'm gonna go and get some breakfast, so cut to me going to the bike. Ella's finally got out of bed and we are leaving to go get some brekkie. We're going to this place called the Buttercup. It's like seen it on TikTok, it looks quite good. This place, we're at like a homestay place, and you got to take like your shoes off, and leave them at the front door. You just walk around everywhere barefooted. The bike now, guys. Hello, what you got to say to the vlog?
Nothing really. Yeah. I hope Leon falls out of the coconut though.
That was cunt, isn't it? Yeah, cut to us at the breakfast spot. We're finally at a breakfast spot. The breakfast spot that I found on TikTok was actually closed, so we had to come to this different one. We're at the Nourish. Let me just show you. Nourish place. It's kind of bougie still. We're upstairs. I'm upstairs. It's yuppie, you know what I mean? Right, guys, I'm just gonna give you a little insights on like about us, what we've been doing, like while we're waiting for our food. I'm 22, Ella's 23, and we've been travelling around Southeast Asia for about 4 months now. But we didn't. I kind of wish we started doing this from the start, but I'm kind of glad we didn't, because like we've enjoyed our time and like really took it all in. Like I feel like if we was videoing all the time and stuff, we wouldn't have like, do you know what I mean? Like we wouldn't have really be able to take it all in and that. Like,
I think when you're filming as well, it's like a little bit more difficult because it's just, I don't know, you're not really fully taking everything in properly. So I am quite glad that we're starting it now. Yeah. I think now's a good time because we will be going back to Thailand as well. Yeah, we're going back to Thailand. We're going Cambodia next. We've got like a few more weeks in Vietnam. And we're going Cambodia next, and then we'll probably go back to Thailand after that. And yeah. But have you said where we've been?
Yeah, I've said. No, I haven't actually ever.
No.
We've been to Malaysia, Bali, Indonesia, Thailand, and now obviously we're in Vietnam now. But yeah, come on along with our little journey. This food is actually taking ages. They're giving us our drinks. Drinks are actually bang. It's like a watermelon, orange, pineapple.
Mine says pineapple.
But it's actually well nice. They give you like some free water, but I don't know if I really trust it.
It's in like a jug.
I don't drink their tap water out here because I don't want a bad belly and that.
No, I don't.
It's the result, guys. Fellas. There's mine. Whose is better? Put in the comments whose is better. I think mine looks better.
1,000,000% mine.
That's got like jank
Chocolate.
stuff in it, like
Mine's
peanut butter, like ugh.
No, yours is yours.
This one. What is that? Is that banana
Is
or
yours
mango?
hot?
Yeah.
Is it nice?
Yeah, it actually is. Why are you eating the tiniest little bit ever?
It's nice.
But we're gonna scram this and then we're gonna go. What we got to go and do? We got to go to get.
Oh yeah, we've got to book our sleeper bus because on one ticket
Yeah,
they just cancelled
our sleeper bus, so we got to go and try and do that. Got to get. I need to get like a holder for the camera because it's just long holding it like this. Like I need to get a holder for it. And then we're going to the coconut boats after that. So cut to us leaving this place. Good morning, Vietnam! Oh, trying to book our bus. So obviously it's cancelled, but hopefully this woman can get us a bus because it's not looking good, bro. It's not looking good. Ella's getting a bit stressed. just at this next little spot. Let's see if this woman's can get us a bus.
If not, you go next day.
If next day, yes. If not next day, but really we need tomorrow because we book hotel already.
So if you book already, you can tell them make you to go next day. No problem.
Yeah.
We try that.
Yeah. Hello. Oh, it's funny. It's so busy here. It's so packed. Like all the buses are booked.
Now for the new year.
So that woman did have a bus for us for tonight. She had a bus for tomorrow, but it was just too expensive. But she has one for tonight, but it was more expensive. And this woman's a lot more cheaper up here. So we're just gonna go back up there, book that for tonight. And we're gonna have to go tonight, I guess, guys. Ella's not happy. So yeah, we finally got the bus ticket. And this place here cost us 2 million. It's about 60 quid. It's about, is it 12 hours?
13 or
13 hours. But that was stressful, I'll tell you that. That's the most stressful thing I've ever done this trip. I was running up and down the roads, trying to get another person to book it, and then they tell me to come back, pay them now. And then, it's just so long. But now we're leaving in 3 hours. We're meant to be leaving tomorrow, but leaving in 3 hours now. So we got to quickly go to the coconut boat, get that done, go back to the hotel, pack our stuff, and then yeah, we're at the coconut village. There's no one here though, but these people are really nice.
Oh wow.
The little girl here they're speaking to.
This is lovely. Pretty.
But yeah, it's alright. We've got to get this done quick though because we've got to get our bus at 5 o'clock and it's like 3 o'clock. Oh, they got us a bit.
You like dog?
Yeah. We like dogs.
Yes, can I buy you some green tea?
Oh, is this tea?
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
How long you stay here?
We're here until tonight, and then we go
leave-
to Dilat.
Yeah.
Tonight?
Yeah.
Baby train, baby fly or baby
Bus.
Ah, that about 5 or 6 p.m. you.
Yeah. Still coconut boats. These people are really nice. So, see the price. Man, show you that this is actually mental. It's like a weird little, don't know, mad. The price is 400. So that's like, it's like £15 for 2 of us, and it's a 40-minute tour. You do a bit of fishing. They do like this. They do like the spinny thing in the coconut boat. They give you like drinks. They give you watermelon. They said after, so really good, really good, really nice. Say hello.
Hello.
This is the coconut flower.
You,
Coconut flower. She said that she's the only one in Hoi An who you only one in Hoi An who has this?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because you know my village very close with the sea. That's why about 2.5 kilometers we meet the sea. That's why water here mix the salt from the sea and the sweet from the river.
Right.
And this tree lively and this water. That's why when you come to my village and two sides of the river, you can easily see a lot of tree.
Yes.
Yes.
So we're gonna try this after we've done the coconut.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So you can say I have the big flower here.
Oh, yeah, it's a big one there.
Yes.
The big one.
Oh, hello, Namai. Hello.
This is a sick little village. This is her little village. She lives here with her family. Mad. Getting in the old boat, man, bud.
Don't worry. Yeah.
Oh. Hello. Oh, we got the hats, yeah?
Oh wow.
Oh, cool.
Thank you. Yay. Yeah.
Thank you. God, we got the proper the proper outfits for it. My man here, he's gonna get us
Cái
some
dầm
bike.
mình nó mồ không có bài. Cái dầm mình mồ.
This is like proper peaceful. How you find that, huh? Oh, this is funny. He's gonna do some like mad spins as well. It's gonna be funny. Hopefully Ella falls in.
I hope you fall in. I like our hats.
It's sick, isn't
I
it?
really want to keep it.
Yeah. Draw it.
It's cute. I don't want to fall in this water though. It looks.
Oh yeah, it don't look nice.
No, it
That
looks.
water looks like it sting your skin. Cool.
Oh.
It's actually well nicer. It's like peaceful, this little village.
It's really nice.
This chavvy ain't saying much though, to be honest. He's on mute. Huh? Wonder where they take you. I don't even know where we're gonna go. I think he just goes down this river.
Oh my hat.
And he's, it's a bit mental, to be honest. These guys in the boat. Just come down this little stream, just crashed straight into one of them branches. Oh, crashed again. Shit. He's gone down this little stream. This chap, he hasn't said a word since he's gone out. The woman was like well talking. I thought it was going to be like funny, but this man ain't said a word. I don't think he's got very good English, I think that's why. But yeah, we're still out here. You know what that?
Oh my god.
Crashed again. Shit. He ain't stop crashing.
Nothing. This is so nice, sorry.
It is really
I would
nice.
actually recommend coming here to do
Yeah,
it. Like,
to
you
this
should
one.
do it. We just turn up as well, like you just
Yeah.
literally turn up.
Weren't
I
busy.
feel like if you book it in the like
Yeah, if you book it in the old town, I think like they charge you.
I think it'll be
But,
more
like-
expensive. So yeah,
Just crashed again.
I think it's part of the ride.
Yeah, I think it'd be more expensive in the old
Yeah.
town because there's loads of them and they're all just trying to do it and it's really busy and we just crashed again. But yeah.
It's bumping into it.
Ok, photo. Ok.
Of what?
Ok.
Of this one?
Yeah.
À, được chưa?
Oh yeah. Good photo. Just pulled over and he told me to get a photo.
Okay.
À, photo.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
À, yeah.
Photo.
À.
Yeah. Say hello, it's YouTube. Yes. I don't know what you just told us to do. You just put us and cramped us in the middle of a bush. Said take a video.
Are we doing it again? We're doing it again.
Oh, I think we're doing it again. I think we just pushed
I think
it
he's
along.
looking for crabs. Yeah,
Crabs?
You can find crabs here as well.
No, I think it's fish.
No, it's crabs. They pull crabs out.
Do they?
Yeah. I think he'll probably leave it in the boat. For fun. Oh, wow, look at that.
Oh, there's a like a. What was that?
A hawk.
A hawk.
Wasn't it?
That one, a hawk. It's like a.
There it is.
Don't know. What is that?
Pelican.
Pelican, yeah. Something like that.
Oh my.
Oh, another crash.
Wow.
Whoa! You've had too many gutters, haven't you, Mish? Yeah. Oh, this is funny. We'll go back up the stream. Chad's got a lot of fishing over there. Doing a bit of fishing. We're gonna do a bit of fishing, boy. Cool. You think there would be any fish in here? You think they'll be all dead?
That is a dead
What?
fish, isn't it?
No, it's a bit of rubbish, I think. We're gonna do fishing?
Ok.
Fishing, yeah? The bait? Oh, yeah. It's got a little bit of worm. A little bit of worm in there. Take the camera out. Now we're going to catch a fish while we come. There's loads of people. Oh, she's doing. Crashed again.
Wow.
Jesus.
Oh my god, this is where everyone's been.
Yeah.
God.
There's us thinking we're on a private tour. There's loads of people just turn up. Hello. 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 Fishing rod out, but oh, he's such a big cat.
Oh, it's for a crab.
Oh, is it for a crab? Why is there a crab going to be there though?
Yeah, that's where they live, I think.
Is it? He just caught a crab. I forgot to press record, I think. He's got it here.
Oh.
He caught a crab with a fishing
Flang
rod
it at us.
and flang it at us.
Rolling around.
Oh, it's there. He's just got a crab, but it's just come. Is there? Where's it gone?
Oh my god.
Oh, I don't know where it's gone.
I don't think she's free.
Where's it?
Yeah.
Oh, what's this?
Oh, what is that?
Oh, a ring. Oh, he wants to curry. He wants to marry you, Ella.
Oh, thank you. Wow, where's the crab?
Yeah, where's the crab? He's not worried about the crab. I think it's gone under here.
Oh my god.
Oh, no.
Oh, that is so cute. Oh.
Ella's just dropped her hat in the bloody river.
Can we swap?
No.
Please.
No.
Please,
We're
you've
not
only got
swapping.
short hair.
We're not. It's
Please.
not. Is the inside wet? Oh, it's so
Please,
pain putting that
can
on.
we?
No. I'm putting that on.
Please.
Huh?
Do a kind act and swap.
No.
Please.
I'm not swapping with you.
Please.
Why?
Because it's only a little bit wet and you've got short hair.
Sake. You can have it on.
No, don't get it. Oh. I'm more scared that no one's worried that there's a random crab.
Oh.
or something.
Wait, hold that.
Yay.
Oh, it's soaked.
Yeah, it did go quite deep. So
Ooh. I might just take it off.
you have to. Something smells. Sorry.
Oh, it stinks.
No, it does. It does. This is my room, by the way. Something really does smell. It's not your
Why
hair.
did you just smell
It's
me?
not your- Where's the crab?
I don't know. You don't really care about the crab right now, don't you? We're just sitting in the middle of the river. I think he's making something else. I don't know.
Yeah, I think he's making some.
But yeah. Out here on a coconut boat. Oh, Ella, this is soaking me. Oh. Ella's gonna
Có đi.
do some boating.
Là.
Go on.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Oh, I'm spinning it.
Wow.
Oh, she's doing spins.
Wow. Wow. Ê, wow. Wow.
Hey.
Why are you going a straight line then?
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. What the fuck's going on? What is going on? Alright, mate, alright. You're a funny man.
Oh my god, wow.
You just shake the whole thing. Ella, 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 Ella.
Oh my god.
This man's off his rocker.
This water stinks.
It does, doesn't it?
I think maybe give him.
Ella, 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 Ella.
I'm not lying it. Oh god, look at me. I'm not lying it. Actually, just really, really smells.
I'm busted.
It smells.
Yes. Don't have a clue what he's saying, but yes.
He's just saying my name, isn't he?
Sounds like it. Oh shit.
Oh god. Maybe it's not fine. No, god.
Oh no.
Oh
no. You do spin yourself?
Spin yourself.
Okay. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, he's going nuts again.
Oh my god.
So mate, he's just spinned the life out of that boat and he's made me feel ill. But they got us some tea, watermelon, and I think there's some biscuits. She's doing the old coconut flour, I think that's what it's called. She's chopping it up.
A little bit dry.
Oh.
Yes.
Well, you eat this bit, the middle bit?
Yes, a little bit inside.
Oh, okay. I'm a bit scared, if I'm honest.
Oh, it's actually coconut.
It's like jelly.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, but you try.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm going to try the coconut flour.
I'm getting Dion trying it.
It's alright, it just tastes like jelly. It's like coconut jelly. Ella's going to give it a try now.
Weird, isn't it? Can't get it. Oh my god.
Cool, get that down, yeah. It's just like jelly, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like it.
Oh.
Oh, but that's where you get it from, that. It's crazy, I've never even seen that before. Go on, eat that other bit and she's got it out of you. That's for you. That's for you. Shall I eat it? Videos. Or the whole thing, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that's okay. That's fine.
Oh,
thank you.
you.
Thank you.
Is it nice?
No.
Oh.
It's just, it don't taste bad. It's just,
No, it just tastes of nothing,
just
but
like-
it's just thick.
it's like,
Jelly.
just horrible in your mouth. Like, just not nice in your mouth at all. So we're all done there at the coconut village. We'll go back to the hotel now. our stuff for the sleeper bus because we haven't packed nothing because we thought we was going tomorrow. His helmet, so it's not even big enough for my head. Just come to the shop, get some snacks for our sleeper bus. We're going to transfer to go to our sleeper bus. It's going to be a long old journey, 12 hours, but we've done it before, we can do it again. So guys, we are actually on the sleeper bus now. What's wrong with that? It's so small. And it's because Jesus crackers. We ain't even acting about that. And we are pissed off, if I'm honest. But we're gonna end our first ever vlog right there. And I'm gonna say thank you for watching if you got this far. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Because we're going to be doing daily vlogs all the time, loads of videos. So yeah, thank you guys. Say bye to the vlog.